Hello and welcome to Sew Tabby. On this episode, I'll be showing you how to make a no-sew superhero costume for your sock monkey. The pattern to this costume can be scaled up or down to fit your monkey. For this episode, you'll need pins or tracing pencil, scissors, 1/4 inch ribbon, felt or fleece, and the pattern to the superhero costume. A link is provided in the description below. If you're going to pin the pattern, go ahead and pin it directly to the fleece and then cut it out. If you're going to trace the pattern, then go ahead and cut the pattern out first and then you can trace around. Go ahead and take your ribbon and cut two 30-inch strands. Once you have the two strands, go ahead and just take it right to your mask. Put about halfway through the eye hole and then make a little knot right there. And then also on the other side. Now that you've got that done, you can go ahead and put it on your monkey. And because you have two strings, you can actually take one going over the top and one under the ear on both sides of the monkey. And flip it over and tie. Now your super monkey has a mask. Okay, on the cape, the big curve is the top. What you're going to do is take your scissors and just make a little cut so it's open but not all the way through. About every inch or so. And go ahead and thread your ribbon through. I haven't cut it yet. I'm going to pull enough through that you can tie that cape on your monkey. And then once you've tied it, you can cut your string. Okay, you can leave your cape as is. You can cut out an initial. You can get old patches and put those on. I have old blankets from when my daughter was a baby that I cut the designs out of. You can sew those on to create just a cute little superhero, or you can leave it blank. And that is how you make a no-sew superhero costume for your sock monkey. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.